Too much noise around you? Struggling to focus because of noise? It's a daily challenge for many, but it doesn't mean you can't do anything about it. Don't let the noise stop you. Introducing the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones. With industry-leading noise cancellation, you can finally regain focus and shut out the outside world. Up to 30 hours of battery life, blocks 99% of noise for pure focus. 3-minute charge equals 1 hour playtime, and with easy device switching, you're always connected. Sony WH-1000XM5. Power, silence, and control.